So hi everyone, once again back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to study about hard disk drive. Okay, so what actually it is and how it's work, we will know more about this. So if anytime is if you have seen that we have something a box type like a structure and this type is there and something green and all things are there. And when we open that, we found like these things. Okay, so what actually these parts are there, we are going to know more about this. So see these things which you see here, it is actually a plate. Okay, and it is a read write arm that actually used to read the data and uh, used to write a arm, means whatever the data is there. Okay, so that thing is there. Now this plate, okay, so here if we want to see in the details, you can see that these are the different plates. Okay, these plates are further divided into tracks, means suppose that this one is that plate. Okay, this plate we are going to draw like this. Okay, so these plates are divided into tracks. Okay, these plates are divided into tracks, and suppose that three tracks I have drawn, and these tracks are divided into sectors. Okay, like this it is divided into sector. Now you see many hard disk drive. Okay, one second please. So many hard disk drive. Okay, what is there, in each sector they allow only 512 bytes. Okay, and some allow 4 kilobytes, some allow 5 bytes, or some allow 4 kilobyte. Okay, so operating system says that if you have a 5, I will not take 512 bytes. Okay, I will take a 4 kb together. Now so what is do it, cluster it and make it like a 512 bytes, total 8 sector, it take it together and make it 4 kilobyte, and then it take hold to read, and from that particular 4 kb data there will be some specific data somewhere where your that specific data will be there. So that way the data is read. Means suppose that you have input some data. Okay, so it will come through the CPU to this one, and it will see that where that empty space is there. Okay, it will see that where the empty, in which sector the data is empty. Suppose that I want to write a Priyanshu. So Priyanshu will take how many bits, means bits and bytes. Okay, so yesterday I said that in 256 means bits, a total 8 bits were combined and made 1 byte. So each letter will take 1 byte. So total it will take 9 bytes. So somewhere in this sector, okay, somewhere in the sector 9 byte, this data will be written here. Okay, by converting into 0 1. And now that if you like see, this is the tracks. Okay, you can see that properly, and here you can see that middle track, outer track, lower track. Okay, and this is further divided into the sector. Now see, this way that the polarization is there done, means the magnetic field type something south and north pole is there. So what actually happen whenever you write some data 1 or 0 form? Okay, so if it is in 1, it will be direction will be changed in the north or the south. So when we read that data, it will get a some less amount of a current. So it will be understandable by that read and write arm that it is 1. If it doesn't receive any current, then it is 0. Okay, so this way the data has been read in that. Now in the next class we will study that how, why, means why this HDD is slow, why it is not fast, what actually happened behind the scene, that it, due to which it is slow. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we're going to study that why the this one is slow. So that's all, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.